I was lucky enough to be invited to Michael LaFido's luxury listing designation specialist course. And I have to share with you, it was absolutely life-changing as far as training and tools to land $1 million plus listings and really catapult my career. And so the week before that, ironically, I had been to a virtual Tony Robbins seminar, and I love Tony Robbins. They give out these fun little emojis when you take a virtual class. But I felt like when I left Michael LaFido's class, I actually had more tools and more really savvy nuggets that I could really transform my business with and implement right away. So if you're thinking about signing up for the luxury listing designation, there's your answer. And thank you so much, Michael, for all that you do for the Realtor community and our lives and our future success.